Ito pong ginagawa natin, no, basically, we are urging the Supreme Court to make a decision, to decide once and for all sa kalagayan ni PRRD sa status, decision na ng Supreme Court, no, ang legal status ng pagdakip kay PRRD.
Tama.
Ano ba, legal, illegal, ano ba, so that we would know what to do.
Good evening, everyone. I want to make it short because I understand na sana may oras, 9 p.m. na, no? And of course, all of you have your lives to get back to also. But ayun, first of all, I want to thank you for, for those of you who keep showing up for my father. Kay, this is not an easy situation to navigate. The whole family, from the whole family, dako kayo nga pasalamat sa inyong tanan. Kay, it's been, pila na ba ka months? 5 months, yes, 5 months, no? Unya, wala gihapoy pag-undang suporta and paghigugma ang among nadawat. So, daghang salamat sa inyo. I know that I said ganina na my father was okay. He is okay. He sounded lively and sharp as usual. But of course, his situation is not to be taken lightly because he has said that the loneliness does get to him more intensely and more frequently than he'd like to admit. So, ayun, that's why I try to be as persistent as possible because I know that the family, the whole family, and you, all of you, we keep him going. So, mao with that being said, it keeps him going. The constant communication from to the visits, the calls, and of course my daily letters. So I left The Hague. The first time I left The Hague was April 16, I think. April 16. So I've been writing him daily letters, good, and I have not stopped. So and he told me that from time to time he does go over them when he gets lonely. And so kato, when I visit him tomorrow, at least I can update him na naamo na nandito kayo lahat ngayon. So I'm sure that he will be very happy and grateful to hear it. Again, daghan kayo salamat sa inyo. Ayun.
Shout out us Reaction Vlog YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
Facebook siya na live. Pero hindi ko alam kung may manonood.
Of course, meron.
Ganito kaaga. Feeling ko na-prepare sila. Hello, good morning everyone. Hindi ko alam kung may nanonood na ba. Parang na, ayun. Perfect. Hello, kamusta kayo? Mga 3 viewers, 8 viewers. So, currently, ngayon, mga kaibigan, mga kababayan.
On the way to Siquijor!
Correct! Maaga kami nagising nila Ate Joey. Ano oras ka ba nagising?
Maaga kami nagising kasi maaga rin kami na borlog.
Grabe yun.
Alas 9 pa lang. Pagod na ang sambayan ng Pilipino. Amoy kating ko na ang kwarto namin.
Magkwento ka naman Ate Jo kanina yung mga ating mga ganap kahapon.
Oo. Ano ba yung mga ganap natin kahapon? Well, kahapon, let's start with yung ruta namin kahapon, no? So from our starting line, Bacolod City, nagpunta kami ng Kabangkalan City. Pagkatapos ng Kabangkalan, dumiretso po kami ng Dumaguete. So, sa Kabangkalan, nagstay po kami ng 1 hour doon. Shout out po sa lahat ng mga Dutertista sa Kabangkalan. Yung pong hindi nakaabot sa pirma, pwede pa po kayong magpirma. Download nyo lang po ang signature sheet. Okay? Pwede nyo po ipa-photocopy yan or i-print. I-print tapos i-photocopy. And then, kapag nakapagpapirma na po kayo sa inyong mga friends, sa inyong mga family members, pwede nyo na pong ipadala yan, i-LBC nyo po or i-JNP ninyo sa ating designated address sa Davao City. Ayan, okay? So ngayon, ito pong ginagawa natin, no, basically, we are urging the Supreme Court to make a decision, to decide once and for all sa kalagayan ni PRRD sa status, decision na ng Supreme Court, no, ang legal status ng pagdakip kay PRRD.
Tama.
Ano ba yan? Legal, illegal, ano ba yan? So that we would know what to do. Because the first step in bringing PRRD home is to sort that out. Ayan. So, yan ang pinupush po natin. Yan ang pinaglalaban natin. And this is not just about PRRD. Again, paulit-ulit po namin sinasabi, this is about our rights. If they are able to do something like that to PRRD,
Tama.
diba, maaari itong gawin kahit sa mga ordinaryong Pilipino,
Pilipino.
sa akin, kay Pao, kay Kuyang Magbabalot, kay Kuyang Grab Driver, kay Kuyang, kay Manang sa tindahan, and things like that. So, this is not just about PRRD. Alam natin, politically motivated naman yung kay PRRD. He's a big personality, loved and respected by the entire nation.
Correct.
Of course, there's a political motivation kung bakit ganun yung ginawa nila kay PRRD. But if they are allowed to do something like that to a former president, imagine what they can do to ordinary Filipinos. Ayan.
Correct. Totoo yan.
And, ayun na. And syempre, balik tayo doon sa ating itinerary. Ayan. Balik tayo sa ating itinerary. So, yun na nga po, Dumaguete City, nagstay tayo ng
One night.
yung
Technically, pirma, oo.
Natulog kami sa Dumaguete City kahapon 2 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Mga 6:30 na yun, mga ganun. Pa 7 na rin eh.
And may mga kumakatok sa hotel natin.
Meron pa pumupunta para mag-sign at humabol. And sobrang daming tao kahapon. Alam mo yung nakakatuwa, guys?
Oo.
Ang daming mga professionals kahapon nagsidatigan.
Shout out sa mga palaban nating doktor.
Hello,
sa Dumaguete.
Doc. We already
Hello.
miss na namin kayo. Salamat sa
Correct.
pag-take care sa amin kahapon.
At
Grabe.
saka, talagang marami yung mga doktor na laban.
Palaban.
Diba? May mga
Oo.
silent din.
May mga silent.
Meron din yung parang, hindi nagpunta lang po talaga ako dito para magpirma.
Mapirma.
Silent DDS po kasi ako.
Ang cute nung mga ganun ng mga nakilala namin na tahimik lang.
But when called, they really show up.
They show up.
They show up.
Yung tahimik lang pero lalaban. And now, currently, as of 6 in the morning, we are bound to
Sikihor.
Sikihor. Mga ilang oras yun,
So,
kuya?
1 hour lang. 1 hour.
Mabilis lang.
20? 20 minutes lang ba? Basta mabilis lang.
Mabilis lang.
From here to Sikihor. Pagkatapos, pagdating ng Sikihor, we're going to
Thank you.
start the signature campaign. Pagdating namin, permahan na tayo! Pagkatapos, we will leave Sikihor ng 2 p.m.
Yes. Yes. So magkita-kita po tayo. Tell your friends. Uy, thank you sa mga nagsasend ng stars. Bibili kami balot
Hindi
mamaya.
kami Sans Rival mamaya.
Thank you. And this experience is really humbling knowing that at some point, Ate Joy, na-feel ko talaga na this is really the battle that, na ito na
Worth
susunguin ko.
fighting.
Oo, worth fighting. Imagine mo, iikot ng bansa from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Not in my wildest dreams, Ate Joey, that I'll get to do that for somebody that I really love. Ito talaga yung very unconditional love ba na parang, oh my gosh, all the sacrifices, sleepless nights, yung iyak namin, yung iyak kami pag umiiyak sa amin, naiiyak na din kami. Parang all for the love of PRRD. Tsaka ko nalaman, Ate Jono, dun ko parang na-realize na parang grabe, daming nagmamahal kay PRRD.
Oo. Actually, kahapon, merong tita.
Alvin!
Hi, Alvin! Hello! Ang tawag dito,
Love you,
may
gang!
mga may mga pupunta, may dala siyang standee na. Yung standee, yung obvious na yung standee.
Na medyo aged na.
Age na.
Oo.
It had seen, it's seen better days yung standee.
Yes, oo.
Pero talagang love na love nila yung standee na yon. Sabi gano'n, sige, isama nyo na po yan sa caravan ninyo. Ganyan. Tapos meron pa silang pinadala na balloons na white and green, ganyan. And, nagpipirma siya, very emotional siya. So, tinatanong namin na parang, ma'am, ba't tawag dito, ano po yung kwentong PRRD ninyo? Sabi niya gano'n. So, hindi talagang emotional lang talaga ako na I really felt na, sabi ni tita na, yung ginawa nila kay PRRD, hindi talaga tama.
Hindi talaga.
Oo. So, those are very, 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 very frequent na tale
Yes.
na nakikita namin. And that is why itong Tay Kami Naman Signature Caravan is very, very memorable kasi we really meet the Dutertistas in flesh.
In flesh.
Yung mga kwento nila na they will never understand having a family member na addict. ganyan. Alam mo, makapon, may nagpunta nga na teacher.
Oo.
Sabi niya ganun, alam mo ba Miss Joey, ang tawag dito, yung mga live ninyo ni Sas, pinipick up ko yan, and then I tell my students to listen to it.
Oh,
Sabi niya gano'n.
thank you,
Tapos sabi niya,
ma'am.
sabi niya, may problema rin kami sa drug, may drug
Thank
problem
you sa
din yung,
stars.
may drug problem din yung family namin. Sabi
Oo.
niya gano'n. Kasi niya, kagaya nito, ito yung kasama ko, yung jowa ko ngayon, sabi niya, pinarehab na namin ito.
Ay, naalala ko siya!
Yeah, oo.
Yes,
oo.
yes, yes, yes.
And they will never understand ang hirap ng pamilya
Na may
merong-
addict sa
na napasok ng drugs.
drugs.
So,
Kawawa
sabi niya,
naman.
they will never understand.
They will never
They will never
understand.
understand. And so, alam mo yun, yung, kaya nga sabi niya, kaya ako talaga.
Kwentong barangay.
Oo, hello, kwentong barangay. Ayan. Kaya sabi niya, hindi nila ako mapipigil na mahalin si PRRD.
Yes.
Kasi, yung problema namin na to talagang nawala to
Yeah.
nawala tong problema na to nung si PRRD.
Si PRRD ang
presidente.
dumating.
And PRRD carried that cross for all families, Filipino families na merong problema sa droga.
Correct.
Ganon.
Correct.
Ganon level. And that is why they will never understand kung bakit mahal na mahal ng mga Pilipino si PRRD. Ayan.
Correct. Totoo talaga yan.
So yun. Ano pa ba? Ay, yung si Madam Violet.
Oo, eto guys, may chismis kami sa inyo ha. Total, kayo lang naman na nanonood, mga kaibigan namin dito, 218. Kahapon, merong si Violet ang tawag namin sa
Si
kanya.
Madam Violet.
Di ba sa sobrang daming tao na nagmamahal kay PRRD, meron talagang isa.
Pero talaga mga maaasim.
Maaasi, may isa talaga. Eto na, si Bakla. Dumating. Tapos, pumunta siya doon sa kung saan pumipirma ang mga people. Sabi ni Ate Violet, you guys are stealing information, stealing ganyan.
Oh. Ng crime, Talaga mong stealing?
So you guys are getting information from people, ganyan. Tapos siguro parang na-awkward siya because the DDS people were there, parang gumano na yung mga tao na parang anong stealing ang pinagsasabi mo, ganon, si Bakla.
Si Nanay Amik, asawa ni Tatay Amik. Ayan. Si Nanay, nag-explain siya na parang, this is voluntary.
This is voluntary.
No one's forcing you to join the campaign if you don't want to.
So hindi natigil
Diba?
si Violeta. Pumunta si Violeta doon sa medyo malayo, konti lang naman, mga ilang steps away, nag-live si Bakla. Nag-live, tumatalak siya, ganyan. Sabi ko, kailangan ko na itong tapusin. Kasi parang hindi siya mag-create ng scene. So pumunta ako sa kanya, sabi ko, excuse me po, may problema po ba kayo sa signature campaign? Sabi ko ganyan, Ate Joey. Sabi niya ko, wala, pero may tanong ako tumatalak si Bakla. Sabi ko, hindi ko na kaya to. Technical na to masyado. Gusto ko kasi baka magbardagulan kami dito na malala. Sabi ko, merong si Ate Joey po ang
May problema po kayo sa signature campaign. Meron. Okay, problemahin ka Problemahin mo si Joey.
pinasa ko. Ate Joey, tinawag ko sa Ate Joey kasi, friend, kung ako baka sapakan mo, ayokong ganon mangyari. Baka, di ba, parang kasi very strong si Ate Violet. Siya lang talaga isa, pero very strong talaga siya. So, ang ginawa ko, pinasa ko kay Ate Joey. Tapos, paano yung bungad niya sa'yo, Ate Joey?
Sabi niya kasi parang, why are you asking for ID number? No, you're taking personal information, ineme, ganyan. Sabi ko, well, we are accepting. If you're going to give it to us,
Oo, sabi niya.
if you're going to give it to us willingly, we're going to accept the information because we need it. Kasi nga, let reputation to sa Supreme Court ganyan.
Oo.
And then I told her, no, why are you asking? It's not needed. I talked to a lawyer and then the
Sabi niya,
lawyer said,
may lawyer daw siya.
Oo, the lawyer said it's not necessary. All you need to do is to write your name and then your signature, ganyan. And then sabi ko, ma'am, dito tayo unfair Kasi you are saying you talk to your lawyer as if we do not have a lawyer. We also talk to our lawyers, di ba? And yung problematic kasi is yung parang, hindi nagtanong ako sa abogado. Yung abogado nyo, hindi namin abogado yun.
Hindi niya alam.
Di syempre, yung pinagtanungan mong abogado, hindi naman alam nun kung ano yung ginagawa namin.
Correct.
Diba? So why are you going to impose upon us yung discussion nyo ng abogado nyo? Yung abogado mo, hindi naman kami kliyente. 'Diba? Hindi naman niya alam kung ano yung ginagawa namin. Tapos ipipilit mo yung payo niya, kayong dalawa lang naman ang nag-usap doon.
Correct,
Diba?
correct.
So, sabi ko yun kay Auntie Violet, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, ma'am, we also consulted our lawyers. Sabi ko, ganun, we have our lawyers. We consulted our
Lahat
lawyers.
to, merong
And,
bas-bas
oo.
ng attorneys.
Oo. And, you know, we are guided. It is not just something that we thought na, gagawin namin to without...
Trip-trip lang.
Trip lang. You know. And then, I advised I told her also na, ma'am, I would like you to go to the website of the Supreme Court and you look in there na lahat po ng mga petition doon published by the Supreme Court. Ang petitioner, ang nakalagay po sa petitioner, pangalan, pirma, ID number. Okay? Because you need to be verifiable. Okay? Ngayon, yung mga nagpirma po dito, ang point lang po
Correct.
dyan, kung bakit namin po ina-ask yung ID number is for the
Supreme Court.
for the pirma to be verifiable. Kasi what we are saying is that the people are already tired of waiting.
Correct.
At itong mga taong naiinip na gusto nang magkaroon ng desisyon tungkol sa mga habeas corpus ni PRRD is something that the Supreme Court should act on. And yung clamor is coming from real people. It's coming from real people. So ngayon, pagka kunwari, pirma lang yan at saka pangalan, how can the Supreme Court determine that it is a legitimate sentiment of an individual? Maria de la Cruz.
Oh.
Sa Maria de la Cruz, pangalan, pirma. Di malamang ang bintang nyo sa amin yan. Ay, hindi totoo yan, fake yan, finorge nyo lang yan.
Ginawa-gawa lang.
Ginawa-gawa nyo lang yan. 'Di ba? That is why this is not an easy task because we are asking people their verifiability in stepping up and making their voice heard.
Tama.
Ganon. Importante po yung verifiability po dito.
Tsaka yung
Kasi
mga pareho ang
otherwise-
pagkapangalan Ate Joey, no?
Yeah,
Kunyari dalawang
oo.
Paulo Santos.
Oo.
Para ma-verify,
Diba?
no?
So, you know, sabi ko nga, itong pirma na, itong signature campaign na to, whether we would be able to produce 10,000, 20,000.
Miko! Si Kuya Miko po.
Hi! Tapos, ang tawag dito, 100,000, 500,000, 1 million, kung ano man yung mga number ng signatures na makukuha namin, it came from real people.
Correct.
It is something that you cannot duplicate.
Yes.
These are real supporters, real people who love PRRD and the ones who are really willing to step up
Correct.
and fight for his freedom.
That's right. That's right.
So yun. So anyway, so nung sinasabi ko sa kanya, kung galit ka sa akin, dapat kawain yung Supreme Court. Kasi yung Supreme Court, pinapublish nga ng Supreme Court yung ID number ng mga petitioners eh.
Tapos sabi pa ni Auntie Violet, ito si Auntie Violet niyo, gumanon pa siya. What about the scam? Ano yung sabi niya? Ano, sa scam daw? Sabi natin Joy, what about it?
Oo. Anong scam? Ayun sabi niya ganun. Hindi kasi yan, tawag dito, delikado yan. You tell me, bakit delikado? Saan gagamitin? Paano? 'Di ba? Kung meron kang ID number, how are you kasi Supreme Court nga pinapublish yung ID number eh.
Paano gagamitin?
Paano gagamitin? Paano nanakawin yung identity mo? I mean, I really want to understand. This is something that I'm saying again and again. If your ID number was taken by someone else, what is the risk on you?
Thank you sa stars. Correct,
Diba?
totoo.
Ano yung risk sa inyo? I want to understand because I want to fix it.
Oo.
I want to fix it. I want to put some mitigating measures kung meron kayong talagang legitimate na risk
Correct.
na kasi yung parang ang nangyayari kasi nag-fearmonger yung mga tao, ay hindi ganito, ganyan kasi delikado. Ano nga po yung
Paano naging delikado?
Paano siya naging delikado? Pag kunwari nakuha yung LTO number mo, paano siya naging delikado? Diba? So, I mean, I hope critics are also going to be, I know you do not like us, but do not be irresponsible. Do not fearmonger. Okay? And to the people who love PRRD, I hope you become critical.
Yes.
And, kung ayaw nyo mag-participate, shut up na lang kayo. Huwag na lang kayo manira. Diba? Kung ayaw, wala namang pilitan to eh. Hindi naman namin kayo pinipilit eh. So, ngayon, kung feeling ninyo, ay, hindi ako convinced, di ba kayo sumali?
Oo.
We are only interested to, we are only interested dun sa mga tao na gustong lumaban. Kung ayaw nyong lumaban, di wag.
Oo.
Diba? Kung ayaw nyong lumaban, di wag. Lumalaban kami at hinahanap namin yung mga taong gusto ring lumaban.
With us.
With us.
With us.
Oo.
Yes. Kasi alam mo, isa sa mga natutunan ko kay Ate Joey, ang tinuro niya sa akin,
Pero,
inaalala lahat ng mga na sinasabi mo, tinatatakot talaga yan sa utak ko, sa puso ko. Kasi sabi niya sa akin, if you really are a real DDS, kahit maliit na chance, sa slightest chance, or slight na pwede natin gawin for PRRD, susuungin natin yan.
correct. Oo. That's why this is a fight. Hindi natin alam kung ano magiging resulta nito, pero lumalaban tayo. You do not do things because sigurado kang mananalo ka. You do things because you stand for what you believe in. You do things because you want to fight for it. Diba?
Yes.
Ikaw ba nangangarap ka kasi sigurado ka na mangyayari yung pangarap mo? Hindi, pinaglalaban mo yung pangarap mo sa buhay.
Ganon.
Diba? Ganun ang buhay. So yung mga tao is going to question, ano ba yan? Ano, mapapalaya ba yan si PRRD? Ganyan.
Attorney Lara.
Ay, Attorney Lara. Ay, mapapalaya ba yan si PRRD? Hindi natin alam. Pero, I'm going to take that chance. If I see a possibility, I'm going to fight for it.
Correct. And that's what we are all doing.
Correct.
Right now. And we are very grateful for all of you who supported and who continue to support this cause for PRRD. And yun nga, magkita-kita tayo no sa mga lungsod na pupuntahan natin.
Yes.
Konting sakripisyo kung malapit sa barangay ninyo, sa purok nyo yung lugar namin, puntahan nyo kami. Kasi
Next
minsan
town,
lang.
kung 30 minutes away, 1 hour away, you might want to see us and join the signature
Kwentuhan
campaign,
tayo.
Kwentuhan tayo. And also, again, sinasabi namin, hindi nyo kailangan na, pwede kayong mag-start ng signature campaign within your families.
Tama.
Pwede kayong mag-start ng signature campaign within your family. So, you talk to your friends na Duterte supporter, mga kamag-anak na Duterte supporter, you download the signature sheet sa ating website.
Tayokaminaman.org.
And yung letter, i-download nyo din. And then you ask your friends and families to sign. Ngayon po, pagkapirma, kunwari nakakolect na kayo ng isang page ng
Yes.
signature, dalawang page ng signature sheet.
Correct.
Kung ilan, as many as you can, ganyan. You can send it to our designated address sa Davao City.
Yes.
And we are going to accept signatures until January 31, 2026. Ayan. So, abangan namin lahat ng mga lahat ng mga signature sheets na napapadala ninyo. Bawat signature sheets na papadala ninyo, bawat isang pirma, isang boses yan ng pakikipaglaban.
Uy, tutuwa ako, nakikita ko Rorote. Port of Dumaguete.
Oo.
Ganito pala itsura nito. Ay, para na siya Samal to Davao, no?
Yes, of course.
Katuwa. So, mga taga-people, mga ating mga kapatid sa Siquijor, malapit na po kami. Maghanda-handa na kayo, maligo na kayo.
Nasa port na kami.
Mag-breakfast na kayo, magdala na kayo ng mga ID and mga kaibigan nyo, especially mga friends ninyo na
Correct.
lumalaban with us. And sabay-sabay tayong magkwentuhan. Oo, today. Joey, makipag-debate daw sa'yo yung Patibaw. Sino ba yan?
Nakadebate ko na po yan, bobo po yan, pero kung gusto nyo makipagdebate, okay lang, anytime. Anytime. Pakisabi po kay Pati Bao, anytime. Pero bobo po yan, subukan na po yan. Sige, papatulan ko kayo for your entertainment. Ayan.
Ayun. So, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. We are very, very grateful for your support. Words are not enough to express how grateful we are na lagi kayo nandyan for all of us. We see all of you. We see all your comments. We see all your messages. Oo. And lahat yon na-appreciate namin. Kaya itutour namin kayo, bababa na raw kami. Sabay-sabay. Ay, gusto nyo ba makita yung coaster? Pakita ko sa inyo yung coaster.
Hi, kami naman.
Hindi. Maiiwan ba yung coaster dito? Maiiwan yung coaster dito? Sasakay din ito. Okay. Bakit tayo bababa?
Sasakay tayo, hindi tayo,
Iba-iba ang kano. Okay. Let's go. So guys, ito yung coaster. Ito. I'll show you guys. Jubil, hello! Good morning, look pa si Jubil. So, ito yung coaster, guys. So, alam mo yung nakakatuwa. Kasi wait, i-show ko sa inyo ha. Paano ba i-transfer yung... Ito. Pumipirma yung mga tao dito. Messages for PRRD. Tapos, so, dito. Ito yung pinost ko kanina. As in, sobrang babasahin natin to mamaya. Sabay-sabay. Ayan. Taray. Alis na yung coaster. Lipat na sila. Tapos kami ay tatawid na sa kabila. Tapos papakita namin sa inyo. Ito na ang Port of Dumaguete. Good morning, Chief. Mabuhay ug madayaw. Say hi, Ate Jazz. Good morning, everyone. So, pakita lang namin sa inyo yung Port Operations Building Port of Dumaguete, inaugurated by President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Republic of the Philippines. Ito March 11, 2021. Thank you, PRRD. Ayan. Welcome to City of Dumaguete. At ito na tayo sa Passenger Terminal Building 2. Pasok na tayo. So, Ate Joey, magpaalam ka na muna. At Dipolog na tayo. We thank you, Alwanda. Correct. Kita kits. Bye-bye, everyone. Pasok muna kami kasi baka wala ata ang phone. See ya! Salamat sa support!